Hi, I'm Phil Heeley from Inclusive Music, and today I'm incredibly excited to introduce you to an amazing piece of music software called BandLab.
BandLab is changing the world of music. There are millions of creators and fans using BandLab to make and share their music from more than 180 countries around the world. There are two huge reasons why you should absolutely try this out. Firstly, it's free. Yes, you heard me, it's completely free forever. Unlike other apps, BandLab's award-winning creation and social features are completely free, with no ads to ruin your music experience either. And secondly, it works on any device. That means PC, Mac, iOS, Android, iPad, iPhone, and in fact any device which has an internet connection. Being a cloud-based platform, it also means that no software installation is required. All you need to do is sign up with your name and email address and you'll be making music in minutes. There are 50 different styles and genres to choose from, including progressive hip-hop, retro funk, EDM, 12-bar blues, future glitch, drum and bass, and grime, to name but a few. I have been working with music technology for over 40 years as a musician, teacher, trainer, workshop leader and consultant. As the creator of Dance EJ for Schools, co-creator of GarageBand for Schools and founder of the Inclusive Music Academy, I know what good music software looks like and sounds like. That's why I am now focusing on BandLab, as I believe this free software will enable everyone to explore the music they love, create amazing songs and collaborate with people from all over the world. Music is a wonderful gift and access to music has just become a whole lot easier and more accessible. The new education version allows teachers to create safe classrooms for their students where they can set assignments, listen and monitor their progress and comment on their work. Students can safely collaborate with their peers in the class, but also students from other schools around the world. This is all controlled by the teacher, so the environment stays safe at all times. It's time to start making music.